Let me show you how to post videos on TikTok. Welcome back to a new guide video on Howgenic. If this is your first time creating a TikTok account and have not posted yet, let me show you how to do. Open up the app of TikTok and then you'll be able to see the plus icon on the bottom. Just need to tap on this option. Now in here what you can do is two things. Either you can record a video straight away, or if you already have a video that you've recorded and edited, you can tap on this icon on the bottom right and select your videos. You can even select multiple videos if you want and then tap on next. In the next step, you can manage a few settings such as adding in sounds, adding in text to your videos, or filters. You can do all of these in the right hand side. So make sure you take a look at all of these options and then add in whatever option you like and then tap on next on the bottom right. In the next screen, you will have a section of adding in description, which is captions to your video. You can also tag or mention people or even add in links if you have some. Once you add in everything that you need, you can tap on post on the bottom right. And there you go, your video now has been successfully posted. You can also head over to your profile section and then view all of the posts that you've made. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.